how to add my Instagram link to my TikTok. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app right here. And then once we open our Instagram app, the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon that is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then once you click that, you should be redirected in this page wherein you will see your username. So all you have to do is to remember the username of your Instagram account right here. So the next thing that we need to do is to go to our browser. And then once you are now on your browser, the next thing that we need to do is to type instagram.com and then slash and then your username. Once you do that, just enter and then you should be redirected into your account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to copy this link. So just go here and then copy that link. And then once you've copied that, the next thing that we need to do is to go to our TikTok. And then once we are now on our TikTok, all you have to do is to click your profile account right here. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go and click the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then click Settings and Privacy. After that, click Account. And then click Switch to Business Account. Once you do that, just click Next, 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 Next. And then just choose the category of your business. So I'm just going to choose some random category right here. So I'm just going to click Next. And then of course, if you want to add your email address, you can also do that, but I will just skip. And then of course, also skip. Once you're now here, just click the X icon right here on the top left corner of the screen. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click Edit Profile. Once you click Edit Profile, just scroll down and then you will see these links. Now, all you have to do is to click Add. So all you have to do is to click this website right here. But if you want to use the Instagram, you can also do that. But I will just use the website right here. And then let's just paste our Instagram link to this part. And then after that, click Save. And then once it is done, if we go back into our profile, as you can see, we now have added our Instagram link into our TikTok. So that is basically it. That is how to add my Instagram link to my TikTok.